Welcome to our Sanjeevani Sainik School and Junior College, Sahajanand Nagar, Kopargaon. Standard 8, Subject Information Technology, Lesson number 2, Introduction to Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is one of the part of MS Office, that is Microsoft Office. Previously, we learned about Microsoft Word. Today we are going to learn Microsoft Excel. Why we are using Excel? Students, Excel, that is Microsoft Excel, is called a spreadsheet. An electronic spreadsheet program has the obvious advantage of processing speed and storage capacity of a computer. Calculations using an electronic spreadsheet are almost free of error. हम Excel का यूज क्यों कर रहे हैं? जो भी हम कैलकुलेशंस करते हैं वो जब एक्सेल के थ्रू हम करते हैं वो ऑलमोस्ट फ्री ऑफ एरर्स होते हैं, उसमें कोई भी गलतियां नहीं होती है. इफ द डाटा एंटर्ड एंड द फॉर्मूला यूज करेक्ट देन द कैलकुलेटेड रिजल्ट्स आर डेफिनेटली करेक्ट. अगर हमने जो भी डाटा उसमें एंटर किया है करेक्ट, मतलब 5 + 2 वी नो इट इज 5 + 2 = 7. अगर हमने 5 + 3 डाला है और हमें आंसर चाहिए 7, सो इट इज आवर मिस्टेक. तो अगर हम करेक्ट डाटा उसमें सबमिट करेंगे तो हमें करेक्टली रिजल्ट एक्सेल प्रोवाइड करेगा. So dear students, let us study the components of Excel window. See in front of you, this is a Excel window. It is the 2019 version of Microsoft Office. So the first bar of the window is called as title bar, which displays the title of the program. That's why it is called as title bar. यहाँ पर आपको book 1 Excel ये जो दिख रहा है, it is the title of the program. Below that, there is a menu bar, which displays the file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data review, view, help, etc. These are the main menus of the Excel program. Below that, there is a standard toolbar, which provide various functions of each submenu. When we click on file and home and insert, it will display the various functions of this program. See, look at this. Below that, there is a name box D1. Now why it shows D1? I just click on A. So now it will display A1. Why? Because it is a name box. The cell which we are selected, that display in a name box. Next to name box, there is a formula bar. This window is called as formula bar. Next to that, that is our work area. That the vertical lines and horizontal lines displayed in front of you is called an Excel spreadsheet. Let us study what is first. You can see here numbers 1 to next. It is near about 16,384 columns. These vertical lines are called columns and these horizontal lines are called rows. These vertical lines are called column and these horizontal row or lines are called row. Let us study one by one. The intersection of rows and column is called a cell. The intersection of row, this is a row and this is a column. This intersection is called a cell. And next concept, what is active cell? हम जहां पर भी क्लिक कर रहे हैं उस सेल को बोला जाता है एक्टिव सेल. देखो मैंने यहाँ पर randomly click किया, which displays the I8. See the name box I8. So I8 is now the active cell. Let us study the different pointers of the Excel. Different pointers of the Excel. See, ये जो बॉक्स आपको दिख रहा है, ये जो माउस का पॉइंटर आपको प्लस शेप का जो दिख रहा है, what it displays, this is the normal mouse pointer in Excel. It is used to select one or more cells in a worksheet. इसके साथ हम 1 2 4 जितने भी सेल्स आपको सिलेक्ट करने हम कर सकते। ओके, नेक्स्ट टू दैट देखो, ये जब हम हेडर के ऊपर क्लिक करते हैं तो इसका जो प्रोसेस है वो चेंज होता है, करेक्ट। देखो, जब हम यहाँ पर क्लिक करते हैं तो अभी एरो का शेप जो भी है वो चेंज हुआ है, पॉइंटर का शेप चेंज हुआ है। व्हाट दिस डिस्प्लेज, द माउस पॉइंटर चेंजेस टू अ डबल हेडेड एरो व्हेन यू पॉइंट इट ओवर द बाउंड्री लाइन बिटवीन टू रोज एंड कॉलम्स। ओके, देखो इससे हम इसकी साइज चेंज कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको लगता है स्टूडेंट्स के ये जो सेल दिए गए हैं वो फिक्स सेल्स है, नहीं, हम इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं। देखो, मुझे अगर ये जो सेल है उसकी साइज अगर बढ़ानी है, उस कॉलम की साइज बढ़ानी है, तो मैं इसको सिंपली ऐसे ड्रैग कर रहा हूँ। अंडरस्टूड? सेम वही हम रोज को भी कर सकते हैं। देखो, हम इतना बड़ा वो साइज भी चेंज कर सकते हैं। Simply press Ctrl Z for previous position. Next, this I beam, ये जो पॉइंटर दिख रहा है I beam, what it shows, when you click inside the formula bar or a double click on a cell to edit its center, the mouse pointer changes to I beam. मतलब अभी यहाँ पर हमें कुछ ना कुछ टाइप करना है। जैसे मैंने संजीवनी यहाँ पर टाइप किया है, तो ये जो वर्टिकल आपको कर्सर का एरो जो दिखता है उसको बोलते हैं हम I beam. So this is all about the pointers of the Microsoft Excel. Students, now we study how to enter the data in a worksheet. इस पूरे स्प्रेडशीट को ही बोला जाता है वर्कशीट। देखो, यहाँ पर एक दिया है शीट, अगर आपको इसका नाम बदलना है और उसका नाम रिनेम करना है तो जस्ट इसके ऊपर राइट क्लिक करना है, देन सेलेक्ट द ऑप्शन रिनेम। मैं अभी इस स्प्रेडशीट को नाम देने वाला हूँ रिजल्ट शीट। रिजल्ट शीट स्टैंडर्ड 8। जो मैंने नाम उसको चेंज किया है, रीनेम किया है, वहां पर अभी डिस्प्ले होना गया रिजल्ट शीट स्टैंडर्ड 8। लेट अस एंटर द डाटा इन अ वर्कशीट नाउ। तो यहाँ पर हमें डाटा कैसे एंटर करना है स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आज आपको एक रिजल्ट शीट, सैंपल रिजल्ट शीट प्रिपेयर करके दिखाता हूँ। आप सबने वही और उससे भी ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेकर उसकी प्रैक्टिस करके देखनी है। So very first, roll number, second column, name of student, next one, देखो रोल नंबर के लिए जगह छोटी चाहिए तो हम इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं। The name of student required more space, so we can change the size of the column. Third है subjects, here we can select Marathi, Hindi, English, science, math, social science, IT. Okay, next we are taking here total and percentage, minimum marks and minimum marks. Next one we can take maximum marks. Max marks. Just fill up the entries. Roll number 1, name of the student. These are the sample names. Sachin. Out of 20, we are preparing the result of unit test. So unit test is conducted out of 20 marks. Out of 20, you will get 15, 12, 14, 18, 13, 16, 18. Next entry, roll number 2, Manish. Next entry, roll number 3, Ramesh. Last example I will show now. Roll number 4, Raj. Okay. This is the heading of the column. इसको हम header बोलते हैं. जो भी columns के headings है उसको हम header बोलते हैं. उसको हम bold भी कर सकते हैं. Select an option bold to make it bold. See. Okay. Like this, you can make this also bold because these are the headings of the mark sheet. Now, how to do total of this all given marks of Marathi, Hindi, English, Science, Math, Social Science and IT. See it very carefully now. Just click on total column of the particular row. Then students, here auto sum option is given. Just click on this auto sum option. See, when we click on auto sum option, suddenly the cell, that is cell C4 to cell I4 are selected, and the same formula is displayed on the formula bar. What is the formula of total? That is sum. Formula is equal to sum into bracket C4 colon I4. Why students take the C4? Because the first subject mark starts from the column C. See, this is the column C and its row is 4. So this is C4. That's why it taken the C4. Now up to what we have to do the calculations? Up to subject IT. IT having column I. So I4. That's why the formula is equal to sum into bracket C4 colon I4. Just press enter now. See, this is the total marks of the given subject, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 subject. Out of 140 marks, he will get 106 marks. Simultaneously, you can click here also, but I will show one of the shortcut. Just click on this last point of the cell and just drag it over here. Automatically, it will display the total of all students. See, no need to insert the formula every time. Okay, this is the method to find out the total or sum of the given. Like that, now we have to find the percentage of the given student, that is first one Sachin. Just click on the percentage cell, type is equal to. Now see student, we can find the percentage on both method, that is from C4 to I4 also, but Simply we are getting the total marks of the particular students. So instead of using C4 and I4, we are directly using the column J, that is the total column. Just type here J4 divide by, it's a divide sign in a Excel, divide by 1.4. Students, why we are using here 1.4? Because the examination is conducted out of 140 marks. So 140, you have to convert that is a 1.4. Just press enter. See, you will get the percentage. Sachin got 75.71%. Simply just drag this point of the cell to get the percentage of all students. See, is the percentage of all students. Now, how will find the minimum marks of the student? Just click here. Again, in the auto sum option, just click min. Okay, but we have to take minimum from C4 to what? I4 only. So we have to correct the formula C4 colon I4. Press enter. In the subject Hindi, Sachin got minimum marks compared to other subjects. See, यहाँ पर इसको सिर्फ 12 मार्क्स है जो यहाँ पर डिस्प्ले किया है. Same again, drag this cursor, get minimum marks of all subjects. See, Manish got 11 marks in science, then Ramesh got 10 marks in Marathi, and Raj got 12 marks in science. These are the minimum marks. Let us find out the maximum marks. Again, the formula is equal to max into bracket, again same, C4 colon I4. Complete the rounded bracket. Press enter. See, this is the maximum marks. In IT, Sachin got maximum marks. Like that, just drag this cursor here to get the maximum marks of all subjects. See. So students, like this, you can prepare your own result sheet of your self or your class also. So just do practice of this all functions given in the Microsoft Excel. So last point of the session now, how to save this document. As you save in Word or other programs, here also you can save. Click on File, click on Save option, then I will select it on this PC. Okay, anywhere we can save it. Book 1, or you can simply give on the name of result sheet standard 8. Just click on save. Now suddenly the heading, that is the title bar, also displays the saved name, that is result sheet standard 8 Excel. Thank you.